leveraging product boxes and other design elements within your blog post. Now, writing a blog post also incorporates a little bit of design, okay? It's not a piece of paper, it's a web page. So you can add in design elements. So for example, like how you see this like line over here, from the desk of me, subject this, it's italicized, looks cool and interesting. Then there's additional like product boxes right down here that are nice and high converting, that get people to like click on things right there, get people to click on that button right there, that type of thing. So you want to incorporate that into your blog post, okay, as it makes sense. So let me just click over here to edit the post. Let me show you on the behind the scenes how that would work. But that's what you need to be thinking. It's not a piece of paper, it's a web page. So for example, I have this over here. The way that's working is that this is a quote block, okay? That's why it has that line on the left hand side. Then if I want to add to this, I could maybe add in like that. We can call this like a divider version 2. And then it's like a nice subtle line right there. See how that looks good right there. And then on this page, I have something called product boxes. That's what I call them. So look right here. And so that's being generated by a plugin. So the stackable plugin, that's the feature version 2 block. So to add that in, pretty simple. Click over here for the plus sign. Type in feature version 2, done. Click on that, layout, basic, gives a nice little border. You just change the text right there, change the button. You can change the button color under here, okay? So like whatever you want. Then you can upload your image over here as well. And so you want to be playing around with like little design elements as needed. So we click over here for the plus sign. Click on browse all. And so there's a bunch of different things like within like the WordPress content management system that you can leverage, like patterns over here. You have like banners over there, call to action, footer, just things that you can click and easily add into your site and just design like this. Boom, schedule a visit. Okay, and then have a nice button right there. Direct people to like a Calendly page, so like request a quote, consultation. Again, you want to be implementing design features to go above and beyond, because it's not a piece of paper, it's a blog post. So incorporate design elements like separators, like I touched on earlier, H2, H3 title tags, big text, nice, easy to read, videos, images, product boxes for affiliate marketing purposes, buttons, bullet points, that type of thing. And you have access to a bunch of different things over here, like patterns that you can just all add in and then customize at the click of a button, as well as all these different blocks. Okay, so you have a bunch of different blocks that you can leverage. So accordion right there, block quotes, carousel of images, a countdown if you want. You can have a column design, which is very helpful. So let me just show you that in practice. So best cameras for best microphones for YouTube. We'll take a look at that one. And then boom, right down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like looks beautifully designed. Has like a nice little drop shadow. It's kind of popping off the page. Like how is that being added to the blog post over here? Because it does help convert sales because it's at the very top of the blog post. So people don't have to scroll through. People can just get the TLDR, so to speak. You know, you get the boom, little paragraph right here. You don't want to read this piece of content? Boom. This is what I recommend. And this is being powered simply by this over here, Feature Grid version 2. But the thing that I changed is it's a 4-column design. And so once you create this one time, it's all set up. So now you can just click on that, click on copy. And then when I want to use this type of layout again on a different blog post, I just copy and paste it in. And if I want to have like 3 items, I want to change that to 3, just click on 3, changes it like that. So that's what you need to be aware of as you're writing your blog post, because you're not just writing the blog post, you're also designing it with design elements. So be open to looking around for different plugins that add in different types of useful blocks and patterns that you can leverage for design purposes to make your content more beautiful, well designed, and high converting, because the design should enhance the content. And by enhancing the content, you get people to do what you want, which is basically to click on buttons like affiliate links and to sign up to your email list and buy your products. So that is it for product boxes and adding in design elements to your blog posts.